The aspen is the quintessential Colorado tree. This is the Front Range Gardener, and I'm going to give you 5 reasons that you should not plant aspen in the Front Range. I'm here off of Boreas Pass Road, above 10,000 feet up in the Rocky Mountains. And this is the natural habitat of the aspen. It differs from the Front Range in 3 important ways. First, the temperatures are much colder up here. Second, there's much more precipitation up here in the mountains. And third, the soils are different and the soil chemistry is more acidic up here. These differences in habitat lead to the 5 reasons you should not grow aspen in the Front Range. When I bought my house in December 6 years ago, I was excited that there were 4 mature aspen trees in my front yard. When spring came, I discovered that 2 of them were dead. This leads to the first problem with growing aspens: their short lifespans. My dead aspens were about 18 years old. A typical lifespan for aspens in the Front Range is 20 to 25 years. This is far too short for mature trees that form the backbone of your landscape. Now, these are the 2 aspen that are still here, but I'm not counting on them lasting more than their current 24 years. Aspens form huge groves in their natural habitat. They spread by growing new shoots from their root systems. Indeed, an entire aspen grove may be one mass of roots with thousands of trunks, which are clones of each other. However, this behavior is the second problem with growing aspens. They are highly invasive. Aspens will send up new shoots from their roots, and those roots spread far beyond the canopy of the parent tree. It is difficult to control these shoots. Use of weed killers may damage the parent tree because the new shoot and the parent tree share the same root system. The third reason not to grow aspens is because they are susceptible to many pests and diseases. Pests include aphids, leaf miners, western tent caterpillars, and poplar borers. Diseases include many fungi species, including ink spot disease and Marsonina blight. Cankers are trunk lesions caused by fungi. All of these can shorten the life of your aspen and make it look just not so great in your landscape. The 4th reason not to grow aspens in the Front Range is the lack of fall colors. In the high country, cool September nights trigger aspens to turn color. In the Front Range, September nights are too warm. Front Range aspens are frequently green until the first hard frost turns the leaves brown and they drop. The 5th reason not to grow aspens is that they are messy plants. It's a given that deciduous trees drop their leaves in the fall, and these aspens drop a lot of leaves. However, in spring, aspens produce their seeds in catkins. These look like fuzzy caterpillars. When they drop, they create quite a mess all over your yard. Come up to the Rocky Mountains and visit these fabulous aspen groves. But if you plant aspen in the Front Range, you may have unhappy gardening.